What's going on? Welcome to today's video. So at the beginning of this video, I want to make a little update because you're probably like, where's the speed? Where's the speed videos? This is like 3 or 4 videos without a speed. The speed is currently broken, so I'm actually waiting on the part to fix it, so I think it'll be here this week. Anyway though, my white 240 coupe, some of you may have seen on the channel, some of you may have not. I do have another 240. It's not a hatch, it's a coupe, and we got it over to Jack's the other day, so we're gonna go over there today. We're gonna compression test it, and we're gonna shoot some flames because I haven't shot any flames on the channel with it, and I really want to show you guys how big of flames it can shoot before we pull it out and put whatever is going in. Almost forgot the compression tester, the most important part. Picked it up off Amazon for pretty cheap, and it's a brand new one. I was gonna get a used one and just rent it from like AutoZone and stuff, but I've heard bad things about them because they've been used so many times that you don't get the correct numbers all the time. And I want the correct numbers because I'm selling this SR. So if anyone's in the market for an SR, big turbo, built head, hit me up on Instagram. Anyway, let's head over to Jack's. Oh yeah, there she is. There's the train. Driving the sister's whip today since mine is broken. I'll do a few pulls for you guys. Get some paddles in this thing so I can shift it real quick. And yeah, there's the cold start for you. Thing's a unit. And we are here. So we're in the shop now, and for some reason it's like 5 times colder in here than it is outside, which is probably just concrete. But here's the coupe for those of you that haven't seen it, because I know there's a lot of new people to the channel that don't know I even have this car. So it is a 89 coupe, S13 obviously, left-hand drive, not right-hand, I know. But I picked this up for a pretty good deal, probably 8 months ago. It's got a SR20, built head, cams, big turbo. It's got like Freddy intake, upgraded injectors, all sorts of stuff. It doesn't have a proper tune, so we're not actually gonna shoot flames, but I'm gonna throw in a clip right now of it shooting flames just to show you because they're pretty insane. Also, it has full interior. I am missing the driver's seat. I'm gonna get a new driver and passenger seat, but I plan on keeping back seats and everything so we can fill this up with people and go have some fun, you know? One of my favorite things about it, it's got the digital tack and the heads-up display, which is pretty sick. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the spark plug and compression test it. Jack's firing up this fancy heater. Does it keep it warm out here? No? Since we're in the Ford garage, we're taking the battery out of the Ford here. And there's Jack's 240 under the tarp until it gets warm enough.
Yeah, you guys want to see that thing?
Yeah, I think they want to see it.
Drop a comment, let me know. Maybe I'll get excited and work on it.
I know, it's kind of like weird that you have a V8 in there, and then this has a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, come in with a 4, go out with an 8.
We'll see. Okay, we got the battery in, and we're just gonna pull apart all these fuel wires so that there's no fuel going to it, and then shove the compression test seal in and start it up. Look how good that looks. We're gonna throw a bunch of people in the back and just party, man. Pulling the plug.
That was close. That was.
Let's see how bad they are. They're gonna look like the 5.0 plugs.
I don't think there's yeah, definitely. I don't think there's any rubber to like catch it.
Oh, you have a magnet?
I think so.
Oh yeah, that's a tight hole. 3,500 bucks. Someone come buy this SR. Swap. 3,500 for the full swap. It's a deal.
You get a car with it too.
No, you don't get a car with it. So you're giving away your car with it.
Nah.
Dude, you don't put this in your car?
Look at that. No.
Oh my god, yep. Looks exactly like the 5.0 plugs.
Not as bad as the 5.0 plugs, to be honest with you.
There we go. Look at that thing. Black.
Dude, I've never
Boom.
done this before. I'm excited.
Never done this before?
No.
Wow.
You should just drop her in it.
Careful. I have got these stuck in here before. We got it stuck in Brandon's car.
Really?
We had to cut it off.
Really?
Yeah.
And then it just stayed in there forever?
No, he took it out. He got it out, but...
Oh.
Alright, we're in.
So what do you do, just hook up an air compressor?
No, dude, you just start cranking the motor.
Oh, that's smart.
I don't remember what we're shooting for here, but I think it's somewhere in the 150s. Like the lid itself.
Oh.
We should have never got hatches, dude.
Yeah.
But having the trunk is sick. Okay, go for it. Anything?
No.
No, here, watch.
No, so it is hacked.
Now crank it. No, it's because the bushing for the pedal is missing.
Where's this button?
It's right.
What do you want me to do?
It's right here. Go for it. Oh yes, dude. Yes. All right, we're good. Dude, that's a good one right there.
Yeah.
She is at 155, which is almost perfect to my knowledge.
Oh yeah. See the tank.
Let's do number 2. Here goes number 2. Here we go, number 2. Oh, keep going, baby. Yeah! Alright, you're good, you're good. Like 154 probably. Number 3 going down. Town.
Yeah.
Oh, but
back in?
yeah.
You're getting like 300 horsepower.
Alright, let me get this.
And you don't even know.
Alright, go out.
If she's gonna explode on you the first time.
Yeah.
That's what you plug, dude. Those MGKs. Oh, and they're the iridium?
Yeah, they're the really nice ones. I had to replace them.
You balled out, dude.
Let's do this. Number 3. I'm ready. Oh yeah. Alright. Heck yeah. Another 154 roughly.
She's going.
Oh, she's going real good, so. It's always the last one though. If the last one's good, then we're good. Number 4. Number 4. Pulled out, pulled out. Boom, how's that one look? Oh, that one's the darkest of them all, probably.
Yeah, oh yeah, she's a little flat.
Okay, well, everyone knows the worst is always last, so let's see how this one goes. Fingers crossed. Okay, 4th one is in, let's do it. Yep. Yeah! We're good, we're good. This motor's literally perfect.
Really?
Yeah, because it goes 155, like 152, probably 152, and then 155 again.
Hell yeah.
So we got a good SR. Boom.
Buy it.
We're making money on this thing.
Yeah, buy it.
This motor is probably gonna pay for this entire car, to be honest. So someone buy it. Oh, there's actually still a fender liner in here, so it will actually take a little bit longer. Yeah. There's factory fender liner. Probably sell that on eBay.
Oh.
Okay, good motor. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, K24 swap.
No, we're not K24 swapping it. Maybe. Still have so much stuff from the hatch left in here. Wide body on this thing coming soon, so stay tuned for that because it's gonna be real wide. Anyway, gonna start just pulling stuff out of here for now. There's a bunch of junk in here. I already cleaned this side when I first got the car, but I never got to that side, so I'm gonna start pulling crap out. Okay, I just slightly wiped it down. Look how good those windows look. Still extremely dirty. Wow, they actually look really bad on camera. Inside, looks pretty good. Got all the junk out of here, put it in the trunk. And then Jack's gonna pull that motor here in a few days or something. So yeah, the coupe's over here. Jack's gonna be making some content on it. And it's gonna come out of the shop with something sick.
K24!
No. If anyone wants to buy this, by the way, there's very minimal shaft play, pretty much none. Turbo's still spinning good, so she's a good little car. Okay, so I'm getting ready to head out. The coupe is just gonna be chilling here for a while. Jack's gonna have a camera, so he's gonna be making updates and stuff. But the SR should be coming out this week. And then, yeah, and then we'll go from there. Hope you guys are hyped for the coupe, and let's go figure out what we're gonna do with the rest of our day. Leaving Jack's currently stuck in his driveway. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna head back to the office now and figure out what else I wanna do with my day. Oh, yeah! Low-key, it actually kinda rips, I'm not gonna lie, that was faster than I thought. Looks like somehow a fire truck either broke down or crashed or something. So kind of funny, just got back to the shop and I was sliding all over the road and the roads aren't even bad. And look at these front tires. They're literally like street legal slicks. They're so bad. So this car is definitely gonna need new tires, but anyway, I have no idea what I'm gonna do now. I just checked all the footage so I could screenshot the compression test, and it looks like we got 160 on the first one, 155 on the second, 155 on the third, and 160 on the fourth. So, as far as I can see online, those are really good numbers. You guys can confirm that for me, please let me know. Anyway, I got a package that came for the speed that I wanna show you guys. I was waiting on this for a little bit, and it finally came. So, as you know, I've been wanting a passenger motor mount, and I finally got one. So these are the brackets. I'm not gonna open those are kind of boring, there's metal brackets. But what's really cool is the actual bushing itself. Boom, look at that thing. There it is. So I got the passenger motor mount, and I'm gonna be putting that in here pretty soon. Also, Chris, hit me up Because I still have your shifter, and if you don't hit me up in like a week, I'm gonna go ahead and re-give it away to someone else. So make sure you guys stay tuned. If he doesn't claim this, we're gonna re-give it away, but it's still on the table. If you want it, you just gotta hit me up on Instagram. Great news, guys. The part to fix the speed just came. It's in here. So some of you guys might know what this is just by looking at the box, but most of you probably won't. I'm gonna make you guys wait, and we're gonna fix this in another video coming out very soon. About to run home and see if there's any more packages. Guys, here's the speed in its resting place right now. So I'm gonna end the video off right here, and hopefully the next video we are fixing this thing and it's driving, because I kinda need my daily back. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content on everything. Follow me on Instagram, also me Berner. Peace out.